Okay, let's put a little bit more water because it's gonna be dry up. Okay, it's yummy. Look at that. We just need to wait until the carrots is tender because the meat is already tender. It was cooked in the pressure cooker. I marinate the pork ribs for overnight, so it's gonna be tasty. Even though you cook in the pressure cooker, still tasty. Okay, it's yummy. Yes, I'm sorry, I'm with my child. Okay, and now this is also from Asian market. It's vinegar, just a little bit, not too much. Oh, that's too much. That's it. And you don't have to stir until it's boiled a lot. So the vinegar will be cooked first before you stir up. This is my favorite, one of my favorite food. And again, this is gonna be eat with rice. Yay, look at that. It's really yummy, delicious. Yes, still cooking. Let's see if tender. Our carrots is tender. Not yet, not tender yet. Still need some cook. Still hard. I like my carrots cooked. If it's cooked, I like cooked. If it's raw, I can eat raw. Okay. And then let's stir again. Yes, here. So the sauce gonna be blend with our pork ribs. It's gonna be blend our sauce. Look at the sauce now. It's thick now. That's good with the rice. That thick sauce like a gravy. It's good with the rice. Okay, let's try it. It's delicious. Let's put a little bit water because it seems like it's dry now and our carrot's still hard. I want my carrots cooked in my stew. Okay, and that's it for today. It's not that much.